Hello students, for the standard 6 we are going to look this new exercise, lesson number 5th, verb. Read the following sentences and note what the underlined word shows. The police chased the thief. The boy climbed up the tree. Mr. Das loved his ice cream. The maid is washing the clothes. Some boys were swimming in the pond yesterday. The word that denotes action, existence, and possessions is called what? Verb. Okay. So kinds of verbs are given here, students. Transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verb means what, students? The verb here shows that action is carried over from the subject. It's called what? Transitive verb. And intransitive what? In these sentences, in order to find object, ask the questions who or what to the verb. Here what? Who or what. Then you will get transitive. In sentence, this 4th, 5th and 6th, this number 4th, 5th and 6th, students, this there are no object after the action word. See action word what? See fourth number, no object after the action word. Was barking loudly, no object here, it's a adverb, students, right? So therefore the verb that shows no action is carried over from subject is called intransitive. It means here if action or its if a verb is related to the or is carrying the action from the verb, then it is called transitive. Otherwise it will call what? Intransitive verb, students. So look now, Sanjay likes cricket. What does he like? Sanjay likes what? Cricket is answer. So here you will ask a question what? Who or what? Only this much. Okay. And here fourth number, the dog was barking loudly. Dog was barking is the was barking is the intransitive verb, students. Loudly, soundly and fully, these are the object but which are what, you can say adverb also, students. Okay. So fifth number exercise given here, students. Fifth A, that is pick out the verbs in each of the following sentences and state whether it transitive or intransitive. The emperor entered the court with a very serious expressions in all of his face. So this underlined word is what? Transitive verb, students. Second, the Almighty cannot banish anyone from his kingdom. Transitive verb. It helps me to improve my soulmate. It also transitive verb, students. Next page, look, students. We don't believe in building nest. Transitive. We are losing our home. Transitive. You can help us. Transitive verb. This S player had won many matches for class 9 B. Transitive. Class 9 we began to play intransitive. Why intransitive? See, class 9 began to play cautiously. So began, after began. See here subject, what? Class ninth B is not carried through this began verb, students. Okay. Then next ninth number, here sacrifice is a transitive verb. Where suffering and dying, it also intransitive. Why intransitive? This where suffering and dying, it's don't have what? Object complement, that is. Okay, they don't have object, or you can say your subject is not carried through this what verb, students. Wow, transitive, bring transitive, happens intransitive, have begun intransitive, get transitive, need transitive, was is what call here intransitive. She was, how is she? Intelligent, tall, strong, big and beautiful. She was like this. So here you can see intransitive. Okay. Then you really should not travel during the night, intransitive verb, students. Next, you can enjoy the panoramic view of Bangladesh from here. Transitive, have transitive, uh, will enthrall transitive, have transitive, accepted again given here transitive, students. Sorry, intransitive here accepted is the transitive and acted is the intransitive, students. Haven't transitive, failed intransitive, students. Someone transitive, had intransitive, shall be intransitive, and inserted what? Transitive, students. So till here you will write all this exercise. Here you can write only definitions, transitive and what in transitive definitions in your notebook and write exercise students.